Hey guys, so
Oh no.
well, Katie got a kayak. It's right
It's my
here.
birthday money.
See, isn't it beautiful?
Bright yellow.
But we have a
there's
problem.
That sock.
We have a problem. We don't have the little wheels to wheel it where we want it. So
Getting it to the beach is a problem.
So Katie's mom came up with this.
It's nylon. So we're gonna put it on top of the car.
Do you know that there's like a current when it's windy?
Yeah, I know.
And you might get like blown to a place where you can't get back.
That's why I'm telling you, we need to get home before it gets windy.
Well, it's fine. It's already windy.
Hi, Jiggly. Oh.
It's gonna be dark. I think all these.
So,
I think pretty much you could use all these.
so we're stuffing nylons with socks.
Are you think?
So that we can put it on top of the car, because we don't. I said use towels and roll them up, but Mom goes, no, I have a better idea. So we're stuffing nylons, and you're gonna use those. This is the most awkward thing I've done.
Okay, well.
Now I know where all my one pairs of socks went.
So we'll make another video about how it looks like
Driving down the street. Yes, we will.
Plan B. Well, the sock thing didn't really work out, so.
Oh, we might still use it.
So this is what it looks like now.
Oh my god.
With towels and stuff, and as you can, ooh, it's dirty. Yeah, well, maybe you can see, it's really windy outside, so we're gonna get drifted out, and we're gonna go meet Captain Jack Sparrow, because I think we're gonna be drifting for a while.
Baby Joe's first.
So, I think what the plan is go like that, maybe. Ooh. I don't know. So, if you're out where we are, please don't laugh at us. Because you already know the color of the kayak and our plans. Ugh.
Stupidest thing ever. Okay.
Oh, look, there's a
At least
hidden
we
Mickey.
could say we're creative, right?
It's true.
Disney would be proud, I think. Or he might just laugh and say.
I think he might laugh and be like, silly girls. Well, we're done.
Woo!
Now, all you need to know is how to strap it to the car, and then.
I think it's so easy.
Hey, we got it out of the house!
Woo!
And we ripped that thing in half, because Katie's like the Incredible Hulk.
I'm not. I just pushed the button.
Excuse me.
Here's Mom going with our
Till these people leave, so we're not rest.
nylon stuffs.
We're excited to go
Nylon
out.
stuffs on the cement over there.
And our
And
strap.
Look at the top of the car. Very carefully. If we can.
Trixie fur.
We're gonna die.
If not, we're walking it down. I'm excited. Look at Katie posing with this. There's Trixie. Trixie!
I wonder if we had a saw, we could saw up our car and fix it to the back. All we need is
Okay, we are ready. I thought okay. I will show you how I saw it on the car when he drove up. I saw this like that. And then I saw this like that. And it was on top.
the straps.
It was big and fat. Didn't he have a big fat box thing?
Hi, come on, do it quick, do it quick.
Hold it. Okay. Go. That's it. That's it, no? Yeah.
guys, guess what? Guess what we're out on?
Woo! I was looking the other way.
I know.
Like,
Look! We're in the water on our kayak. We survived. We didn't flip over. Scoochie. Oh.